In this lesson, we will see together direct object pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun te. So what are direct object pronouns? If you have no clue, then please take the time to watch my video covering this topic, because you will need this knowledge to understand the examples. But let's make it fast. Direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. So that's what they are. And the second thing that is extremely important, the nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. That's the reason why we call them direct. It's because it's without any preposition. So in this lesson, we'll concentrate on te. And the direct object pronoun te is translated to you or to you in English, depending on the context. Te can stand for the masculin, féminin, but definitely it must be singulier. Masculin, féminin, singulier. So we'll have 4 examples. Il te voit à l'école. Il te voit à l'école. Elle te regarde amicalement. Elle te regarde amicalement. Le chien te suit. Le chien te suit. La maîtresse te félicite pour ton travail. La maîtresse te félicite pour ton travail.